A Miura P400. Unbelievable.
We need to note the corrosion on this lower panel. The dent here is significant. I'll add that to the report.
The leather is completely dry rotted here.
We need to stabilize the dash before we move it.
The rust on the rims is significant.
I'm making a note of the chassis damage now. This wire here is completely frayed.
And look at the rust.
Yes. This wire here is completely frayed.
And look at the rust.
Yes.
Watch the alignment here.
Yeah, just a little more tension. That should hold it.
Easy now, keep it steady. Watch the front right fender.
Easy now, just a couple more cranks. Make sure she's secure.
Clear on this side. Okay, keep it coming slowly.
Look at the rust near the wheel well. Yeah, the tires are completely shot. We need to be careful with the straps.
Okay, hold it there. Looks good on this side. Bring it back just a few more inches. Easy now.
Okay, hold it right there. Yeah.
Looks straight to me.
Significant corrosion around the hinges here, and the wiper trough is completely compromised. We'll need a full replacement.
This wire here is completely frayed.
And look at the rust.
Yes.
Okay, slight turn. Did you get the reading for the head bolt torque?
Yeah, it's logged. Rear shackles locked.
Verified. Clear on the distributor side.
Taking the strain.
The corrosion on the bracket is worse than we thought.
Note that down. We need to stabilize it.
Did you notice the corrosion on cylinder 3?
Yes, it's worse than we thought. We'll need to clean that hose thoroughly.
Look at the mold here, near the piping.
Yes, and the foam is completely shot. We need to be very careful lifting this.
Label this one TACH.
Okay, this tape is really brittle.
Easy now, pull the fuel connector.
Okay, label this one engine sensors.
Got it. Detaching the main connector now.
The rust here is light, but look at this pitted metal near the manifold. We need to replace these hoses too.
Look at how deep the corrosion goes right here. Noted. We'll need extra filler. We need to make sure we cover every single spot on this panel. The pitting is quite deep here.
Watch the penetration on the lower edge. Slow and steady and steady.
Got it. The heat is perfect here.
Look at this pitting here. It goes deep. Yes, the black paint is completely gone on the Miura.
Look at that rust right there. It's really deep. We have to be careful not to damage the underlying metal. Almost there.
Cylinder head 1 is clean. Minimal wear on the valves. Now checking the crankshaft bearings.
This oxidation is deeper than I thought. Make sure to get behind the seat. Nice circular motion, applying even pressure.
Getting that perfect mirror finish for the Miura engine.
Start with the center ones first.
Okay, moving to the top right now.
Just a little bit more right here. Getting all the details clean. So satisfying. Careful on the edge here. We need to maintain that curve. Got it. Looks smooth now.
Coming around the curve now.
Looks good, nice and even. Make a note of the humidity. Steady now, nice and smooth. Okay, log the coat thickness.
Steady now, keep the overlap consistent. Watch the reflection right there.
That gloss is incredible. Check the micro sheen on the curve.
It's flawless work.
Keep the pressure even.
That gloss is perfect. We nailed it.
Just like glass. Now we apply the polish, nice and slow. Look at that shine coming through.
Keep the pass overlapping by 50%. Looking good.
Noted. The gloss is perfect on the housing.
The finish on the turbo housing looks perfect.
Agreed. No orange peel effect visible under the warm lights.
Check the alignment on the left spoke. It's perfectly centered.
Go ahead with the torque.
Applying pressure now.
Align the bezel right there.
Okay, securing the toggle now. Listen for the click.
Perfect. Now the oil pressure gauge next to it.
Make sure the polarity is correct on this one.
Yeah, got it. It snaps right in.
Gently now, align the rear bolt.
It's catching.
Needs to shift slightly left.
Aligning the trim now. Carefully so the leather stays pristine. Okay, aligning the bushing now. Steady pressure on the press.
Sequence is crucial. Crisscross pattern now.
3 more clicks on this one.
We are clear on this side. Confirm. Keep it steady.
Gently now, align it with the seal.
Perfect. Just hold the pressure while I wipe the edge.
Easy now, easy. Watch the manifold.
Just a little lower on the left side. There, hold it.
Keep it steady, looks good.
Just under 800 RPM.
Steady oil pressure. Make a note of the vibration dampening.
I can't find a single blemish.
Me neither. Close the book on this one.